Yo.
What's up, guys? I'm Code Gray. Welcome to the channel. Today, well, no real topic for today. Today it's just me and the wife going out for a nice long ride, and I decided to take her to my old stomping grounds, my very old stomping grounds. Growing up, I used to live in quite a few different places in Ohio. I used to move around quite a lot when I was young. Well, the place that we're gonna take a ride by now is, I used to live there in my early teens, like very early teens. Actually, I think I moved there when I was around 11. Didn't move out till I was about maybe 14 or 15 years old, somewhere around there. But we're gonna go by this house that I used to live in, show her around. And this house that I used to live in, well, whether you believe in it or not, it is a very haunted house. All sorts of crazy things happened in this house when I was young. This place is so haunted, I actually don't even like driving or riding by this place, to be honest with you. But that's where we're headed. We're headed out to the old haunted house. Now, growing up, I lived in a lot of different types of areas. I used to live in the ghetto, like really bad parts of town, and from your regular suburbs to your farm country. And that's where we're headed now. We're headed to farm country. Well, we're technically already in farm country, but the place I'm headed to, it's for certain farm country as well. Very boring part of the state. I was very happy to move away from this place. But I figured on our way there, we'll try to hit some of the more scenic routes. We're gonna ride through Mosquito Lake, get a good look at that, because the road goes technically right through the lake. Yeah, so kick back and relax and enjoy this ride along through my old stomping grounds, the old farmlands. This part of town used to be the city area of where I used to live, so I can kind of tell you, give you a little hint on how country the country is, the area that I lived in. Sparkle Market, still going. It's a Masonic lodge now. That used to be a Seventh-day Adventist church. long time ago. I used to ride my bicycle up and down this road many, many times. And yes, it sucked. Just to get to my closest friend was a 45-minute to an hour bicycle ride. Now, one of the places I lived at right before I moved here was the ghettos of Cleveland. So going from the ghettos of Cleveland to full-on farm country was quite a culture shock. All right, coming up here on the right-hand side, this corner house. This big white corner house on the right. That's my old house right there. Very haunted. Now, the person who lives in there now has done quite a bit of renovation. It didn't look anything like that when I lived there. That's it. So, I still don't like going by here. Oh, that's funny. The red pickup truck. When I lived there with my mom and my stepdad. My stepdad also had a red pickup truck. Now this is Fowler. The only thing in Fowler itself is a middle school and like a little corner store and a post office. And I think that's about it. And farms. Lots and lots of farms. Yes, coming up to Fowler Center. The city section of Fowler. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a minute. There it is, guys. There's the big city section right there of Fowler. The general store. There used to be a post office next to it. I don't even know if that's there still. Oh, they moved it over. Now right over here on the right is my old middle school. That looks like they closed down. Wow, okay. I guess there's no middle school anymore. Now the high school I went to, well, this high school that I went to, I only went to for 1 year, and that was 9th grade. We'll see if it's still up and running. But it's not even in Fowler. It's in the town next door, in a town called Vienna. Oh, they have a police station now. Wow. There was no police department here before. Wow, that's brand new. Fire department. Moving up. There used to be a single policeman, a constable, for both Vienna and Fowler. Now, as you can see, this big building coming up on the left here, that's Matthews High School. I did go to that school for 1 year, 9th grade. And by the looks of it, it looks open still. Yeah, looks open. That's good. That's cool.